on your if you all switch on your camera, it'll be nice. Yeah. So how are you all feeling? How is your practice going on? Anything, let it be color therapy, numerology, anything, handwriting analysis, or any remedies that I've given. So how is it? How is it? Yes, good.
Good, good.
Good. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So let me know what are the remedies you have tried. Anything. It could be related to anything. What have you tried and how is the progress? Yeah, TCM or what channel is this or anything? So, Mante, what is your, what have you tried recently?
Same old thing I do, Pooja. Always I've sent, I put the same thing. I see that nothing has increased my power or something, and then I feel better. I told, no, I put methi seeds and I'd sent you a message also, what
Yes,
all I was
yes,
learning from your classes.
yes, yes, yes.
And my mom had little oxygen issues, so I used lung 2 and 3 for saturation. She had saturation issues.
Saturation issues. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, did you try anything?
No, I told in our house we have a problem. They don't allow me to use colors and all that. So it's
Okay,
only with seeds and pressure. I
okay.
use Jimmy to do pressure and all that. They do not allow me to put colors.
Colors. Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Fine, fine. Fine. And then how about others? Others? Switch on your camera, everyone. Everyone, switch on your camera. It'll be nice to see you all. Today we'll be having one meditation practice as well. Okay. So yeah, I hope you all are ready. And many of you are curious to know what exactly I teach in the the platinum level. I know the course price is too high and everything. So today we have one special discount or whatever I can say, 80% off, and you can attend a few days of platinum membership as well. Okay, so before we talk more about platinum thing, right? So I just want to invite Chaitra ma'am to share her experience. So it's been only 10 days. I think today will be 11th day of life coach. So how are you feeling, ma'am? So welcome to my session.
Hello, Pooja.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Pooja. Good evening.
Hi, ma'am. So, if you all know, she's Chaitra, ma'am, and she was my Kannada teacher in my during my
Mm.
school
Back
days.
in school.
Yes, yes,
Yes, Pooja.
yes, ma'am.
See, Sadhana Kendra is not new to me. Like
Yes, yes, ma'am.
from around 2001, 2021 or 22, I joined, and
Yes,
I've learned, numerology. I've learned color therapy, everything
yes,
through Sadhana Kendra only.
yes, yes,
So, life coach, when you approach, no life coach, the class is going on. I'm into meditation,
yes,
so
yes.
I just wanted to know what and all you teach.
Okay.
So the methods you thought, that the like forgiving someone and all.
Yes, yes,
So yeah, like even now, if I see my enemies also, I don't get any kind of grudges.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so forgiving I've learned, and go with the flow I've learned.
Yes, yes, yes.
And yeah, after joining the classes, somewhere I feel very light,
Light. Okay.
very positive,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
and gratitude towards everything.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And do you think whatever you teach, is easily available, or or how do you feel, ma'am? How is it different from anything that we watch, on
No
YouTube?
difficult, Pooja. Nothing difficult. I don't feel any difficult.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So do you
Yes.
think the course is differently designed, ma'am? Do you think it's unique, where
Yes,
you
yes,
have
yes,
certain
definitely.
yes,
Definitely. Because no one, even if we go for meditation class also, they'll make us to sit and they'll play some music, and they just,
yes,
tell us to close the eyes and just
yes,
do
yes,
the formalities. But
yes,
here, you're going to the depth,
Yes.
So you're making us to write whatever happened in our life, whether it is positive or negative,
Yes. Yes.
so that each and everything, what maybe grudges or any sad thing or any emotional,
Yes. Yes.
that will automatically it is coming out.
Coming out, yes, ma'am. And do you think the procedure is easy, ma'am? Because we all know we should forgive, we should let go and everything, but there is procedure and technique, right way of doing certain things. So
Yes,
do you
Pooja,
think
definitely I
it's
feel that. Yes,
easy?
definitely I feel that.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Awesome.
only I think 9 or 10 days I'm feeling very light. I'm feeling very like I see positive things in everything.
Awesome, ma'am. Awesome.
Yeah, and if it comes to manifestation, yeah, some case was going on and it is totally finished now.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yeah, after I joined the class, only within 5 or 6 days it got cleared.
Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
So
So it's
definitely, yes, Pooja, it will work. The universe will listen to us.
yes, 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 ma'am.
Yeah. And
So
I'm very happy that I joined this class.
yeah, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm so happy to hear this. My school teacher giving feedback on this is really amazing. Thank
Yes,
you,
Pooja.
ma'am.
And I'll be eagerly waiting when the 6:30 will come because to
6:30, yes, ma'am.
know what new topic will be there.
Yes, yes, yes. Every day a new topic, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Awesome, ma'am.
Yes, Pooja.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your feedback. So happy
Thank you,
to
Pooja,
hear
for
this,
teaching
ma'am.
us. For teaching us,
Yeah.
maybe I can say lesson of the life.
Lesson of life, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Not only emotion, even money also,
Yes, yes.
manifestation, money, gratitude, everything.
Everything, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
So I'm really happy to be the part of this course.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you, Pooja.
much. Thanks, ma'am. Yes, and yeah, so this is Chaita ma'am, and now we have Vijayalakshmi ji. Vijayalakshmi ji, are you there? Vijayalakshmi ji.
Good evening, everyone.
Hello, good evening,
Hello,
Vijayalakshmi ji.
hello, hello, Pooja.
Yes,
I'm really happy and I'm proud to say that I have joined the Life Coach. As it is, my journey with Pooja started from March 2021 with basic color therapy.
wow.
And I learned color therapy, TCM, color therapy 3 levels. I have done TCM,
Yes, yes,
basic acupressure, new color numerology classes also, chakra meditation too.
yes,
And when Pooja asked me for the chakra meditation level 2, I said I need time. I have to do inner work and I need time. But when she started announcing about this life coach, I didn't even think a while because she told everything will be covered and it is a different type of journey where you
yes, yes,
reach. So immediately, without any hesitation, I joined this course and really I felt very much useful it is. And it is not that costly also, I believe, because the things we are learning and the transformation which is going within ourselves,
yes,
it is much more beyond the amount what we have paid.
yes, yes,
The
Vijayalakshmi.
transformation and usually even for meditation also, I could never concentrate myself while doing meditation. Just closing the eyes, mind will be somewhere else.
Yes,
But
yes,
with starting with puja, I could get that concentration and mind is tuned and energy is in higher level only. Every day I'm seeing, usually for small things also, we feel very much energy drained and feel somewhat guilty and as if we are not worthy like that. That
yes.
sort of things have 90% reduced within me.
And you,
I can confidently say 90% reduced.
yes, yes,
As the way Pooja is telling us how to do the techniques and all, it is really very much useful in the life. As it is, I feel I could have learned all these things much before this
yeah.
age.
Yes,
But
yes,
it is not late for me to learn.
yes, yes,
I'm in the transformation of journey for myself.
yes, yes. That should be the spirit,
Pooja
Vijayalakshmi.
is the mediator and universe is helping me. I'm trying to manifest myself.
Wow, That's wonderful, Vijayalakshmi ji. So happy to.
Very, very happy to be all these 5 years with you, Pooja.
Yeah. Thank you
And
so much, Vijay.
as Chaitra ma'am told, eagerly waiting for the class when 6:30 will. And the time, without our knowledge, time is going off. Class is over. It's like that.
Yeah. Yes, Vijayalakshmi. Awesome, Vijayalakshmi ji. I'm really happy to see, the kind of change in your energy as well.
Yes.
I think you've become more expressive and,
Yes,
you're able to express
Yes,
better.
that's the major
Right.
visibility which I'm having, I can say.
Yes.
Always just listening to others, but not opening the mouth.
Yes.
But that way,
Wow.
nowadays, I myself am observing that I'm able to tell without any hesitation,
Yeah.
telling softly to others. That change is there in me, and that is through puja only.
Awesome. Nice, Vijayalakshmi ji. Imagine
I'm
if
very
you
much
had not
grateful
enrolled.
to puja.
What, Vijayalakshmi ji?
I'm very much grateful to puja, I'm telling.
Awesome. It's all, divine planning. We all are just mediators, but Vijayalakshmi ji, one question.
Yes, puja.
So if you had not enrolled for this course, you were like, whatever the price, let it be, let me just enroll it. So if that action taking was not there, how would
I would
you
have been,
be?
I would have been my older version only.
Yes.
There won't be any change. That newer version going and trying to work more on my inner self. Never it will happen. Because certain things we know, but for implementation part, it will be taking lot of time.
Lot of time. Yes.
So that way, you are helping us.
Yes.
And I think, as you said, this is the divine time for me. Because
Divine time. Yes.
last
Always.
month only I have returned back from Canada. If I would have been there, I would have not joined this course for sure.
Yes.
Because this concentration I could have not given there.
Yes. Very true.
So that is the time has come so for me. And I am in the path of transformation.
Awesome. Nice, Vijayalakshmi ji. Your energy levels are high, and I'm extremely
That I am feeling, Pooja.
So happy to see
That
this.
I am feeling. And very rarely I am feeling myself as tired and all.
Wow. Can we just clap for
That
Vijayalakshmi?
way I am very much happy to say that point.
Yes, Vijayalakshmi.
Because usually some time or the other just wasting the time I used to do, I can say.
Okay.
At least for 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
Sitting simply or lying down or watching TV, mobile like that.
Yes.
But nowadays, everything has gone only for important messages and calls. During that time, I will be with the phone.
Wow.
When I expect calls with my kids.
Oh.
And any call is there means that time. Remaining time, I'm not touching the phone also.
Yes. Nice.
And eagerly waiting for the classes.
Classes. Yes.
Almost these days, I can say I'm almost before time only in the class.
Yes. As soon as I log in Zoom, Vijayalakshmi ji has entered the room, so you will be the first person to enter the room.
That's what I'm saying. I'm almost, because mind is on that only.
Yes, Vijayalakshmi ji. Awesome. So nice to see this, Vijayalakshmi ji. Very nice. And thank you for sharing your wonderful feedback, Vijayalakshmi.
No, Pooja, when we have learned certain things,
Yes.
We should express it also, no?
Express it, yes. Because do you think there are many people who are suffering from this trauma, Vijayalakshmi, especially housewives?
Sure it is, for sure. Especially in our generation.
Yes.
These traumas will be like that only. Whether we are working, moving outside, social group gathering is there, whatever it is, but internal trauma, it will not be healed at all.
Yes.
Somehow we will try to say we are forgetting, we are forgiving like that, but subconscious mind level, it will not go.
It will not go. Yes, yes. So this is the speciality of the class, like you're going to heal everything from subconscious level. It's
Yes.
not only the affirmation thing. Let me tell you, so affirmation means you can watch any affirmation in YouTube also. Okay? So we have certain techniques. So techniques to, overcome certain things. Many things actually. Okay, and it's not overwhelming. Okay, shit. First 5 days I didn't attend the session, so let me watch in hurry burry. That thing won't be there, because I give time for you to watch. Take your time. Anytime you join this course, it'll be perfect time. That's the only one thing I can say. So I wish even Madhaviji was here to give feedback on classes. But yeah, maybe next time we can ask Madhaviji. But Vijayalakshmi ji, I'm super happy to see.
Thank you very much, Pooja. It is
Yes,
because of you only.
thank you,
And in
Vijayalakshmi.
all this, I should thank Swapna also because she introduced me to you.
Sapna aunty, yes. Awesome. Yes, thank you. Thanks a lot, Vijayalakshmi ji. Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
Pooja.
Yes.
Pooja, one small request. Is it okay if I log in from the laptop and log out here? I'm losing
Yeah,
charge on
sure.
my phone.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, so much.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so let me tell you what exactly we do. Okay, because see, we all know negative thinking is not good, overthinking is not good. Then you have too much of anger, resentment, even that is not good. We have to forgive and let go. But see, even if you chant 10,000 times, I forgive, I let go, I forgive, I let go, there are certain things you really can't erase from your memory. Again, this is what we did for like first 10 days. Okay, so healing from subconscious level, and we have many activities as well. I would not like to reveal here anything. So we lot to do with your, your neuroscience, brain related activity and everything. So where you're just triggering your subconscious mind. We all know where is our mind, your brain, subconscious mind and all. So directly we are going to trigger by giving certain information and everything. Okay, and I'm a teacher who believes a lot in writing. Okay, so I will strictly make everybody to write. Okay, so I just don't give random suggestion lectures and all. See, lecture anybody can give. You will find free videos also on YouTube and all. Okay, but I give some time. I'll put some nice music, so I'll make them do then and there itself. Okay, and today we'll be having, today in this not this session, the life coach thing. We have something to do with symbols. So you just have to look at the symbol, and other activities, related to symbol only. And I will just connect you with spirituality. Okay, so many people have this assumption that if you do meditation, you're a spiritual person. If that was a thing, everybody would become spiritual, what you call it as spiritual or whatever it is. So that's not the meaning of spirituality. Okay, so real spirituality is when you actually let go of all your traumas from your subconscious mind. Okay, my son is not getting married. I'm, whatever. My daughter is not married. So many things. So see, God has given us one responsibility to take care of yourself first. Okay, so see, as a housewife, as a mother, as a sister, as a wife, we always put others first and then we take, you know you all know what I'm trying to say. You put others as your priority, first priority, and then you do certain things. For example, you've prepared something, bisi balabat or something. First let my in-laws have, let my children have, at last I will have. So you will put yourself last. You are disrespecting yourself. So these are the small things that we teach. So how to take care of yourself, self love, and how to go to bed, how to wake up. There are many things, because in Buddhism, this is the first thing that we learn, in Buddhism and all, how to breathe, how to wake up, how to sleep. So there are certain rituals, it's not always chanting. So obviously stotra, mantra, shlokas, everything has lot of power. So depending on your Rashi, Nakshatra, date of birth, if you chant certain mantras and all, right, so that will also be super effective. Okay. So many of you were asking about the numerology report also. So because two of them messaged me and I sent the report also. So if you are interested to get your numerology chart, so it's in detail. I will just share the sample so you can just see whenever you have time. Okay, so that's the thing. And in this platinum thing, membership, we are going to cover many things, and any course that is upcoming, you can join graphology for, free of cost. Graphology session, so that will be on handwriting analysis. Okay, so if you see in market and all, right, so if you want to learn everything, see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, anybody can write, A to Z, anybody can write. But the way you write certain graph, the way you write T, the way you write S, it shapes your subconscious mind. So when your graph itself is wrong, and if you're following this pattern for a very long time, okay, so again you're sending that negative signal to your subconscious mind. Okay, for example, now those who have some issues related to money, we'll talk about money. Yeah, so we all know how the expenses are these days, very high, super high expenses. So the thing is, when you spend money, you're like, oh, we can't, my bank balance will be only so much. So we have lack of, uh, saving capacity, and all of these things will be there. So once you change the graph of your handwriting, so automatically money also starts flowing. So we create our own blockages, knowingly and unknowingly. Okay, so and that's why this is part of life coach also. But those who want to join 6-day event for 6-day event, which is on money and abundance. See, I won't teach you only about affirmation. So don't think it's the same thing. It's only about affirmation and all. There are many ways. Again, you will be so surprised to know there are so many techniques to attract money with proper procedure and everything. Okay, so those are part of life coach. So you all are part of it. Okay, and those who want to join this session, so as you all know, the course fee is going to be 3,000. You can join in. And then we have another offer. This is only for valid for today and tomorrow. So if you are interested, you can join in anytime. Okay. Today's offer is going to be, so if you want to be part of this 12 to 15 days, we have this classes going on, life coaching thing. It's been only 10 days, and Vijayalakshmi ji, Chaitra ma'am, and others, like Madhavi ji is there, Lalita ji is there. They have not joined the session, but they have seen a lot of changes. Though they are working, though they are into IT company and everything, they still prefer watching recorded videos and do this. Okay. See why I'm conducting this session and why it's so expensive, because the value is like this. Imagine if I conduct the same session for 500 or 1,000 rupees or whatever, Vijayalakshmi ji, Chaitra, do you think it would add value in their life? What do you think?
No,
Pooja,
Pooja.
everything has its own value. Like, we can't get gold at silver price, or we can't get platinum at gold price. So it will lose its value
It will
if you
lose
go
its value.
like that.
Yes, best
Yeah.
example.
So platinum should be platinum, gold should be gold, silver should be silver, according to me.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
that is 100% correct.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, Vijayalakshmi. Okay. So now the thing is, so I want this to be affordable for everyone, but like I can't charge less than whatever I'm, whatever it's expected, but you still have time to think, you still have 2 days to think and let me know. By Monday, we are going to start with money and abundance chapter. Okay, so money and abundance means it's not only what you are thinking, and nobody actually knows what is abundance. If we Google it and also you will think it's the same thing. Okay, so we are going to heal our traumas from subconscious level. So we have 12 more days. So if you're interested to experience certain things, okay, it'll be life changing for sure. Especially as a woman, we are always told to compromise, adjust, and blah blah blah, everything. Okay, and because of this only you're carrying the burden. Okay, so let me ask one question to Vijayalakshmi ji, especially yesterday's session, Vijayalakshmi ji. So when I made you write certain things, so you
Yes,
mentioned
yes,
something. Would you like to
yes,
share?
yes, Pooja.
Yes, yes,
Yes. It's worthy. The way how we should analyze the things and how we should
yes, yes.
make the thought process.
Thought process. Yes, yes,
That is more important. That you are teaching us.
yes, yes, Vijayalakshmi. Okay, so and also Vijayalakshmi ji mentioned if I knew this, I only asked this question. So if you knew this method 20 years back itself, so how would your life be, Vijayalakshmi ji? And everything has certain time, so everything is destined also. But
Yes.
still, how would your
That time has come now only, Pooja, for me. But
yes,
if I would have learned earlier, I would have benefited much more, I can say.
much more? Yes, yes,
But time has not come.
yes, yes, yes.
Better late than never, I feel.
Yes, that should be the spirit.
That's my spirit.
Yeah, yes, yes, Vijayalakshmi.
And one more thing, those days I was very busy with my working and all. Now, because I have retired, I'm able to, without any pressure, I'm able to
Yes, yes.
manage time and attend the classes. Now,
Classes, yes, yes, Vijayalakshmi. Awesome. Okay, so here
that's
we
also
were.
one way good, I feel. Instead of having all tensions together,
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm able to enjoy the fruits of it now.
Exactly. Yes, yes, Vijayalakshmi. Okay, so here see for example, now let's say you are a person who does meditation every single day or whatever it is. Your vibrations will be here. Whatever makes your vibration high. For some people, they don't like meditation. They like parties, this, that, and everything. But whatever it is, your energy levels will be so high. Okay, but if anything happens, for example, somebody insulted you or somebody made you feel bad, automatically the vibration goes here to
Yes,
0. Okay, again to get back to that same mood, good mood. Okay, or to reach to that highest frequency, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot
yes,
of time. Okay, but here in this class, so those who are attending, right, so your vibration is here. Even if you have a bad day, it's going down till 80 or maximum 70%, and again you
very
can
true.
bounce back here. Okay, can you resonate with this, Vijayalakshmi ji, and check?
Yes, Pooja, it is
It
very
is
much
true,
true.
Pooja.
True. Yes, yes.
We
Okay.
are
Like I
experiencing it.
feel
We are
if
experiencing it.
Yes, yes,
like if others hurt me, I feel it's their mistake.
yes, yes, yes,
And I
yes,
don't let me down. I don't let me down.
yes,
I feel bad. I feel bad for what they did or what they said.
yes, yes.
But it's okay. I just take it lightly and I'll just leave.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Awesome. Okay, so this is how I teach, So basically, 70% of this course is all about your deep trauma healing. Okay, see, everything will work. Magnets will work, acupressure, everything will work. But your mind is super powerful. The way you think, the way you react, the way you take emotions. So this is how we are going to master our emotions. Okay, and once you master the emotions, so there will be push towards spirituality. And those who have triggered you, those who have pulled you down, you will thank them like anything because that is how it's meant to be. But people will teach you other way because we all know how our society is. Okay, so she did this to you, right? Go spoil her, whatever it is, all those rubbish information. Okay, but you will start thanking them. Okay, so this is how you're going to change our mindset. Okay, and once the course is done also, so we'll have support session throughout your life. So till you're alive you can join this support session. Okay, because see, everybody have ups and downs. Okay, so somebody will tell you something, will trigger you. Okay, but so when we have community of like-minded people, so somebody will always be there to encourage. So yesterday Vijayalakshmi ji also encouraged Vanita auntie. Okay, so you have to take action and everything. And I should tell you one thing, Vijayalakshmi ji has become action taker. Okay, and that was her biggest problem, biggest what can I say, yeah, biggest problem. So she have overcome that issue. Okay, so yeah, so we'll have lot of topics related to trauma healing. So trauma healing, how we are going to do, I have no idea, because all these things are really not taught, easily anywhere. And that's why, coaches like, top leaders, coaches like Tony Robbins, Jay Shetty, their courses are so high. The price is so high. Okay. And like you all know me, my wisdom. So whatever I share is going to be authentic. It's not like I learned something from her, teach the same thing for you. So I've learned from, like, I don't know, many people, many teachers, coaches, mentors. So I prepare my own recipe and then teach, So I have one library itself in my home, so full of books and everything. So I add my own ingredients and then share my recipe with you all. Let it be color therapy, let it be acupressure and life coach specially. Okay, so yeah, so this is how the sessions are going to be. Okay, yeah, so so those who are interested to join, you can join in. So the course will start from Monday. And Vijayalakshmi's daughter is also already, she's part of this session. Okay. So yeah, so those who are interested, you can join in. And the special offer, it's not 24,000. So please remove that, that thing, so 24,000 and everything. So today's special discount is going to be 5,500. Okay, so we'll be having a morning session only on Fridays. Friday morning session 6:30, and every evening we'll be having at 6:30 p.m. Okay, you're going to heal your traumas like never before. You will be like, why did I take so much of burden? Why did I have so much of anger issue, grudges? You will become like Gautama Buddha. But with proper guidance, many things are there. Okay, and today, we have session at 6:30. So if you actually ask, what's the topic? Chaitra ma'am and Vijayalakshmi ji have no clue because every day is going to be so curious. It's all about curiosity, and it's it's all about suspense. They literally will be waiting. So what next? What next? So this is the thing. So we have many things. Yeah. So those who are interested, you can join in, and it's going to be what for sure. Okay. And Chaitra ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ji, what do you think? What's the value? So 5,500. Is it too expensive or whatever it is? You can share your opinion. because I can't charge less than that. And I just can't.
Pooja,
I
it
think
is
it is
not at all expensive, Pooja.
Hmm.
The things
It's
we
the
are learning,
basic. It's just the basic you are taking.
it's almost minimum we are charging, I
Yeah.
can say.
Yes. Okay.
Because after the class, the knowledge we gain, it is like we can't like compare it to the money and all, to the fees
It
and
is
all. That
worth
much
paying
knowledge we'll get.
also.
Yeah.
Yes.
The knowledge we are getting, the transformation we are getting, all those things,
Yes.
they are much beyond what we are paying.
Yes, Lakshmi. Because see, if I tell you, I'm giving my 100%. Once you join the session, and when you think, okay, this is the last day, you would have got like 500% more than what you expected. So any course you join, let it be 99 rupees wala or 299 or anything, so the value is always higher. I believe in that, so nobody should feel like, oh, it was not worthy. Okay, so
So nowadays, what has happened, as I observed, many engineers who have spent lakhs together to
yes.
study their engineering course, they are leaving their studies, and they are not using 1% also of it.
Yes.
So many of them are there in cinemas. Many of them are making their own hotels, restaurants, and all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
See,
It
they
is
have
not
spent
even
lakhs
a
together, but not
party wear
using the knowledge
costume
of it.
we spend.
But this we are spending minimum this thing fees. We are paying minimum fees, but the knowledge we are getting from it is we can't compare it,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Thank
No,
you.
and it is useful for life. It is useful for each and every step of life,
Yes, ma'am.
according to me.
Yes,
Yeah.
very true.
So this
Yeah,
is the
it's
main.
not only that we are spending amount and keeping it aside. Something we are purchasing once in a way, we use it. Not like that. It is
Yeah.
almost every day, every time, each and every second with us.
Every second, yes.
It is within
Yes.
us what we have spent.
Yes.
So if our
That
mind and if our
satisfaction
soul,
we won't get by spending it on some other thing, some costume or
yes.
something else. It is not at all like that.
Yes.
See, if our mind
Being
and
beyond
soul
all
is
these things,
happy,
Pooja,
Yes.
yes.
beyond all these things.
Yes.
So if we are happy, like mindfully, and if like we have to be healthy first of all.
Yes, ma'am.
So and this course definitely it will somehow make us healthy,
Yes. Healthy
not
and happy also.
physically,
Happy first.
and mindfully.
Mindfully, yes.
So that we can't get, they say no, we can't get the happiness how much ever we spend.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I don't think it is very high, Pooja.
Yes, ma'am. So
The
why
basic thing is happiness. We need happiness. We need peace.
peace?
So after this course, everyone will come to know if they join
Yes.
what's the value of it.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't feel it's very high. You
Yes.
can charge more, Pooja.
Yes. This is what everybody have told, start, since 2019 or something, 2019, I started teaching online, okay. So the value is always high, so if my intention was to make monies, I would have literally made in crores, charging charging each person 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs and all. So business related also I know everything. So I'm a business, study, business student as well. Digital marketing also I've done. So I know how everything works, the marketing strategy and everything. Okay. But, I can't teach all this for free of cost also. Free of cost, just do anything for free of cost, there is no value. Okay. So I'm doing what?
It will not be there, Pooja. We won't be taking.
Yes.
It will not go into our mind, first of all.
Exactly. Yes, Vijayalakshmi. Okay. So this is a thing, so don't think, this, whatever I mentioned, 5,500 is too much. It's not too much. Okay. And, the sessions will be held from Monday. We'll be having this for 15 days. And I will just mute everyone. Okay. Just a minute. Yes. So why? Uh, okay. So why I'm telling this? See, this is not only for women, men also. You know. So see, if woman is going under trauma and all, right? She will either share it. You know, she will share it with someone, or either she might gossip, and somewhere you will feel better. But men don't do that. So they suppress a lot. Okay, so men should be stronger, men shouldn't cry. So this is open to all, so anybody can join, teenager, uh 50 plus, 60 plus, 80 plus, anybody can join. And we had Rekha ji, who is 89 years old. So she'll attend all our sessions. So it's really inspiring to see her energy in our community. Okay, so she's always enthusiastic, super enthusiastic person, and so positive. Okay, so this is what we learn from her. Okay, so Reena ji is asking about course duration. So we have it for 15 more days. Uh, Reena ji. Okay. So if you're interested, if you feel aligned, you are welcome. Okay. But I feel this is for everyone, because whatever I've learned from so many years, I've just made it short and crisp. So this contains Bhagavad Gita. So we are not going to read shloka and all. Yesterday also we had one topic which is related to Bhagavad Gita. So we learned all the shloka and everything. Okay. And one Shiva mantra says, na punya, na papa, na saukya, na dukha, na mantra, na tirtam, na veda, na yagna. So somewhere we should detach from the external things. We all know this, but we don't know the exact procedure, exact technique. So this is why graphology is also helped. So certain graph, and when you write only, see, when you write, you are not writing, your pen is writing for you. So this is what happens when you actually write in sheet of paper. And we have so many activities. Okay, so I feel this is for everybody. It should be like one-time experience. And this is equal to buying gold, I can say. That's what Vijayalakshmi ji mentioned. Every second, 1 second you have that negative thought, it's gone. You can literally punch all those negative thoughts. To that extent we have already worked. Okay, so these are the things. So you'll learn many things. Okay, I can guarantee you will come out of all the physical problem also, because once your mind is healed, automatically thyroid, your knee pain, everything is just gone if you work on yourself. Okay, and none of them, those who have joined my life coach course and all that, none of them are like, let me do it tomorrow, let's see. So everybody are action taker. So if you miss the class, next day they will somehow watch the recording and come back with homework what I've given. Okay, so yeah, this course is open for everyone, and anybody can join in. Okay, so Vijayalakshmi ji and Chaitra ma'am, thank you so much for believing in my work and inspiring everybody with your
No, it's
amazing.
Thank you,
being
Pooja.
shown,
We
no,
have to thank
Pooja.
you.
It's
Yes,
being shown.
yes, yes.
Not that results itself are showing the thing.
Yes, Vijay. Very
And from few days, Pooja, usually, before when I used to come to the school, I used to bring car and all, I used to drive and all. But after,
yes.
having kids and all, it was, I had left it to my husband only. He was driving and I was just sitting next to him. But
Yes.
I think from week or something, like I have become very active. I don't know where the energy is coming from.
Wow. Wow.
I am not letting him to drive. So I'll be the driver and he'll sit next to me wherever we go.
Very
Even,
good.
yesterday also we had been to Tumkur. From there also I only drive. And
Oh, wow.
in old house, rightly I'm in my old house.
Oh,
So
okay.
here also
Yes, ma'am.
some renovation is going on.
Yes.
From there till here, I have only drawn the car and I have come.
Wow. Amazing, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am. Very nice.
Yeah.
Really, Pooja, with that energy we are feeling.
Feeling, yes. Yes, Suja.
That's what I'm telling. No, nowhere. Let me do afterwards. I'm tired. That sort of feeling has gone.
Yes, that procrastination will be gone forever. This is what I can say. You'll become okay. So something is there, so I should go clean up. So you will be so active, not hyperactive, but whatever you're meant to do, you will start taking
On
action
doing on time like that.
on time. Yes, yes, Suja. Absolutely. Amazing, very nice. Okay, so yeah, so see again, I'm telling you, I feel this is for everybody because traumas cannot be healed very easily. Okay, and we have so many techniques to learn certain things. So the purpose of conducting this session is like I know many people are actually suffering. So I actually learned it from myself, because I love learning new things and everything. But I really felt okay. There are people who actually need this kind of awareness. Okay. So I spend a lot of money only on learning new things. So more than shopping or anything. So even if my husband or my parents ask, what gift do you want? Like, buy this book. I want pen, books and all. So this is my addiction, learning, growing and teaching others. Okay. So yes. So this is the best thing you can do. Okay. And we have one more course. So this is for 500. This is on cord cutting. A cord cutting, anyone would like to share your feedback? Vijay Lakshmi ji?
Yes, Pooja. After doing that course, no, somewhere that physical level attachments or mentally feeling things that has gone.
That has gone. Yes, yes. Are you feeling your energy is different, Vijay Lakshmi ji?
Yes, Pooja, really.
Yes, yes, yes. Amazing.
Those techniques and all, no, they are very
Yes.
useful and helpful in our day-to-day.
Yes, yes.
Once we are happy, healthy, we can make all the family
Yes,
happy
yes,
family and healthy family.
yes, yes. Like I mentioned, see,
As you said,
girl
it
has-
need not be a lady learning all these things. Even gents also can learn and they also can make it happy.
yes,
It is not with the gender,
it nothing
but
to do with gender.
this helps everyone.
Yes,
As you said, age is not bar for it.
yes,
Even teenagers also can learn.
yes,
Their entire future they can take into their hands.
yes, yes. Yes, yes. Thank you, Vijay Lakshmi ji.
That's what it's my
Yeah.
feeling, Pooja.
Yes, yes, Vijay Lakshmi. So she's feeling lighter, and trust me, when a woman is happy, her entire family will be happy. Okay, so I know many people, my relatives only, friend circle, my all my close circle only, but the vastu is not good, not proper. Okay, so wherever kitchen has to be, bathroom is there, so nothing to do with vastu also. So if a woman is happy, if her mind is clear and everything, right, so automatically entire family will be so
Yes.
happy. Okay, so these things, like it's going to change your life forever. I don't think that once the course is done, it's done. So we'll be having this support session and all. So color therapy also we have started with support session. Okay, so we'll be having 2-day event, color therapy free session. So those who are interested, you can join the session. Okay, so I will keep you all posted on group only. Just be active on group. So keep checking all the messages. Okay, because these things are, I'm telling you again, it's not found easily. anywhere because I share my recipe. This recipe is not found, whatever, not so easily. Okay, so yes. So yeah, so we'll do meditation for 5 minutes. So I hope you all are ready. Okay, so keep your eyes closed. So focus on your breath. Just 1 minute of silence and focus on your breath. As you inhale, you're inhaling new energy of peace, and as you exhale, you're exhaling everything that's not meant for you. Stress, anxiety, anger, etc. Anything that you can think of. Close your eyes and focus on. Now just invite peace into your body. Happiness, peace. Feel the energy of your body. You connecting with your higher self. Your higher self is full of love, peace, and highest vibrational frequency. So that is your higher self. So the more you are connected with your higher self, you will stop seeing everything that is triggering you, that is struggling in your life as a lesson. This is how you accept things as they are, and you are going to elevate your energy. So allow your mind to become peaceful, calm. So feel relaxed. See your mind, body, your soul, the spirit of your soul, whatever it is. Imagine you without all these negative emotions. Negative emotions are part of our life, but to teach you something. But what are the patterns you're repeating? Why are you repeating? Because you have not healed from certain things. Now just promise yourself that you are going to connect with your higher self at least for 2 minutes every single day. This is what your soul loves. Your ego mind, or what I call it as monkey mind, keeps calling you back again and again. But the more you stay connected with your soul, your higher self, you're going to see drastic changes. See, what is your biggest problem? What are the lessons that you need to learn from this situation, from these people? Or just say, I release, I relax, and I just receive blessings. And command your mind by saying, I'm becoming clear. I'm becoming calmer. I'm becoming lighter and more centered with my breath. I'm becoming more centered with each breath, with every breath. Now again, just focus on your breath. Now this time when you inhale all these good qualities, good energy. And as you exhale, you're releasing everything that is not meant for you. Slowly you may rub your palms, place it on your eyes and open your eyes. Yes. That's it. Okay, so I hope you all are feeling better. Okay, just connecting with your soul. Vijayalakshmi ji, you're on mute. Vijayalakshmi.
Feeling light, Pooja.
Feeling light? Awesome. Okay. This is just 5% of what we actually do inside the class. Okay. Yes. But this itself is very powerful. So the way you connect, the way you talk to yourself matters a lot. Okay. Suma aunty, how are you feeling? Suma aunty, Varsha ji, Geeta ji. Yes. Nice. Okay.
Very relaxing, Pooja ji.
Relaxing.
Nice, thank you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Actually,
Yeah,
my
light
mind
thing.
was wandering too much, Pooja. Lots of things were there.
Oh. Yes.
There's a situation, I call you up after the session. There's a situation in the office. So it's all the session also. I abruptly had cut off and go and take the call. So
Oh, okay.
I really want to focus completely.
Focused. Wow. That's so nice to hear this from you, Sumati. Very nice. Okay. Yes. Varsha ji, आपको कैसा
Light thing.
लगा?
Light thing.
Light.
Yeah.
Yes. See, we carry so many things, all unwanted things, more than what we actually want for our soul evolution. we don't do that. We stick to something which is not necessary. You know, that day this happened, she told me this. No, so we are focusing more on something which we really don't want in our life.
That is true. We are feeding all emotions. We don't do good anything to us.
Yes, yes, yes,
It's very true.
yes.
When we're talking about cord cutting, I had to go, but that is so useful, cord cutting, because we have to cord cut with a whole lot of people
Yes,
who unintentionally come into our life.
yes, yes.
We don't want them to come into our life. So it's
Yes.
very good to cord cut with all situations like that and people who are not do. And you know, it's draining our energy out unnecessarily.
Drains, yes, yes. Awesome. Nice, Sumanti. Thank you for sharing your feedback.
Remember, I met you 1 year back. Gratitude, forgiveness, all these things is very important to us.
Yes,
Otherwise, as I said, we'll hold on to all those emotions, which is of no use to us.
yes, yes, yes. Amazing.
That's what happens.
Yes, yes. That's awesome, Auntie. Thank you so much. Thanks for sharing your feedback. Okay. So, yes. So that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed the session. Okay. And those who feel aligned, those who, you know, feel it's for you, you can join in. So yeah. So we'll be having this for 2.5 weeks, you know, so 2.5 week course. Where money, ritual, attracting abundance, and many things are there. So I will share the content. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so take care.
And Pooja, in between, I had to cut off now. So
Yes,
I missed a few things what you were telling. If you can give me the course details, it will be wonderful.
yeah, sure. Yes, Auntie. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Take care, everyone. And yeah, see you in the next session. Okay.
Thank you.
Namaste. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pooja.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, sir.